What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. For today's topic, I will teach you how you can fix Instagram DM glitch on iPhone. Let us start this tutorial by checking if you have a good internet connection. Poor connection sometimes is the main cause of the issue on Instagram, but if you have a good connection, then go ahead and open the Settings app. And now scroll down and go to General and tap the iPhone storage. Over here, look for the Instagram app and tap it. Press the Offload app, then confirm it by tapping again the option Offload app. By doing this, it will delete Instagram app but still keeps documents and data. And then after this step, go over to your Instagram and open it. The app will reinstall again. Simply wait for it to finish. Go ahead and check if it is now fixed. But if not, let's go hop into the other method. In the Instagram app, tap your profile icon located at the bottom right, and then tap the 3 lines option at the top right. Choose Settings in the pop-up menu and tap the Help button. Then choose the Report a Problem option. In the pop-up window, choose Report Problem without shaking. Here, choose Don't Include and Continue. Now, briefly explain your issue in the text box. And then tap the Send button. Once you're done, you just have to wait for Instagram support to have an update regarding the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.